This right here is one of my absolute favorite times. Ignore the starting fluid. I use it when it's been sitting for too long. But coolant hoses are cold, exhaust is cold, engine is cold. It's been sitting overnight. I'm also working on the brakes. So, pardon me for a moment while I pop into this thing. Ignition on. Oh yeah, I fixed that warning indicator for the doors. That's how it's supposed to be. A little low actually, but it's just fine. Oil pressure's good, fuel's about where I expect. Voltage is typically low because, again, it's barely idling at a bit over 500. And headlight switch. Headlight up here works. High beam works. High beam momentary actuator works. Hazard on does not work. Directional on does not work. Anything of the brakes no movement whatsoever. And yeah, that should turn. Oh, that's on today's agenda. That and figuring out why these don't work. The bulbs are good, so don't even think that's the right one. No, that is. That's the right bulb. No idea why these don't work. Oh well. At least it runs well.